In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. You can change your name on Facebook in two ways. One is your account, and the other is your page. Let's do the account first. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical lines. On this page, expand the Settings and Privacy tab. In this tab, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on See More in Account Center. Now click on Profiles. Here, all the profiles that are linked to your account will be shown. Click on your desired profile. On the profile page, click on Name. Now you can edit or change your name however you like. But you should remember that once you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days, so choose carefully. After you are done, click on Review Change. Now click on Save Changes. Here you can see that my name has been changed. Now let's see the page name. Come back to the main menu. Here, click on this icon and select your page. You can see that I am now on my page profile. Go to the Settings menu, just like before. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Page Setup. In the Page Setup menu, click on Name. Now you can change the page name however you like. But remember that, just like an account name, once you change your page name, you can't change it again for the next 60 days. If I click on Review Change, my name will be changed. Following these steps, you can change your name on Facebook easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.